In the part 4 of this video, we are going to learn about the new subtraction trick, which is how to do subtraction from left to right. And for that, we are going to use subtraction of only single digit numbers. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nina and I usually make videos related to Vedic maths. On my channel, you can see videos related to multiplication, addition and subtraction.
So let us start our today's topic, which is subtraction from left to right. So we have learned this trick also for addition, that how to do addition from left to right. So we will learn the same trick, similar trick for the subtraction also. Okay, so what does it mean? In our normal mathematics, what we do subtraction from right to left. But by using Vedic maths, you can do subtraction from left to right, so that which is very fast and you can do it within few seconds in your exam. Right, so let's start solving the very first and simple example how to do it. So for left to right, what you have to do, you have to subtract 8 minus 2 will give you 6. Okay, now see, this number is your smaller and this number is your bigger. Okay, so when you will subtract 6 minus 7, you cannot do subtraction, so you have to make your number as 16 instead of 6. So 16 minus 7 will give you 9, and when you are giving it here, you have to subtract this one from here. Earlier when we were doing addition, then what we were doing, if we were getting any carry, in case of addition, what we were doing, 8 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 7 is 13. So instead of keeping 13, what we were doing, we were adding that carry to this next number. Right, so in case of subtraction, what we have to do, if we are taking any carry, then we have to subtract that number from our previous result. Okay, moving to the next question. So 7 minus 3 will give you 4. This is smaller and this is bigger, so you have to make it 11 and subtract 1 from here, and 11 minus 4 will give you 7 and 4 minus 1 will give you 3. Okay, so moving to next question, which is of a 3-digit number. So how to proceed with the 3-digit number? The process is going to be same, which is 8 minus 5 will give you 3, 7 minus 6 will give you 1, and 4 minus 7, this is smaller and this is bigger, so what you will do, you will make this number as 14 and subtract 1 from here. So that means what will be your answer? 14 minus 7 will be 7. 14 minus 7 will be 7. 1 minus 1 will be 0, and this 3 will remain as it is. Okay, next, if I am going to subtract this 4-digit number, so what I will do, 5 minus 3 will be 2, 4 minus 8, this is smaller and this is bigger, so make it as 14 and subtract 1 from here. So 2 minus 1 will become 1, 14 minus 8 will become 6, 9 minus 8 will become 1. Now again, this is smaller and this is bigger, so what you will do, you will make it as 15 and do minus 1 from here, so that my result is 15 minus 7 is 8, 1 minus 1 is 0, and it will be 6 and it will be 1. Okay, so this is the step in the left to right. This is very easy, no any such kind of rule is there, just the rule is that you have to just do subtraction from left to right, and if at any place you found that the number from which you are subtracting is smaller, then you have to convert that number to the 6 to 16 and do subtraction of 1 from the previous number. Okay, so I am giving you some questions for the practice, so you can do practice on these questions. Suppose there is a subtraction part, you have to subtract 8476 from 6278, right? And let us say your second question from the practice is 9436 minus 3438. Right, so these are the two questions on which you can do a little bit of practice. Okay, so till now what we have done, when we were doing subtraction from the base number or multiple of a base number, we have done the subtraction like this: 1000 minus 373, means the number of zeros in the bigger number are equal to the number of digits in the smaller number. Or we have done like 9000 minus 373, means it is a multiple of our base number. Okay, in this case number of zeros and number of digits were equal. Or we have done some questions in which the number of digits are greater and the number of zeros are greater and the number of digits are less. Okay, so in the next video we will learn how to do such kind of questions in which the number of 9000 minus 5, 4, 3 and 2. Okay, means number of digits in the upper number are equal to the number of digits in the smaller.
If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let us meet in the next video in which we are going to learn how to do subtraction of any general number. So till then, take care and bye bye.